How to check your Access Bank account number. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can check your Access account bank number. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, you need to download Access application into your device. You may just go to Google Play Store if you are on Android phone and tap on Access. After that, you will be able to see an install option. Just tap on install and download it on your device. After the installation is complete, just tap on open and wait for it to load. After loading, you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen where you need to log in. Just enter your username and password and you will be able to log in into your account. After that, you will be able to see your bank account number on the very first page. So there is also another method on how you can check your Access bank account number. So for that, you need to dial *901# on your mobile phone and select the option which says other services. After selecting the option that says inquiry services, select the option that says AC no inquiry and enter your PIN and your Access bank account number will be displayed on your screen. So that is one of the method on how you can see your Access bank account number. And another, as I already told you, using your mobile bank, just launch it and log in and you will be able to see your account number on the very first page. So in that way you can see your Access bank account number very easily by following those steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.